3 days, 3 ways, all about cozy, cozy sweaters and the must-have pant of the season, the jogger. So many fun ways to do it. I can't wait to show you some great combinations, and we'll start with this one right here. Okay, from the top, RD style, cozy, cozy, cozy animal turtleneck. I love this guy. I love the neutral of it. It's a more relaxed fit. I'm wearing my true size. And have you ever met a turtleneck you liked more than this because it does not scratch your face? I didn't think so. Easy little half tuck. Now, have you gotten yourself the level 99 Trek pant yet? This is your, I'm wearing cozy pants, but nobody needs to know pant. So much stretch in these, you guys. I was going to do my dip, but then I just feel like, they stretch. I don't need to do my squat for you. And honestly, I did a bunch of squats this morning. I may not get back up if I go down. So trust me, very stretchy. Banded bottom, great, easy pull on waist pant. You guys, they're a dream. I love these little zipper pockets. I had this one unzipped so I could just tuck my hand in there. Black also comes in a great camo, and then I've got them paired back to my favorite, flying out the door. Get them while you can. We are almost sold out. Dolce Vita suede booty. I love these guys because they elevate any look, and they are crazy, crazy comfortable. And then, of course, my accessory of the week. Check out this little stacked ring. I love this guy. Ignore the absence of a manicure. It's been so long, I don't even know what it feels like anymore. So versatile, goes to so many things, and makes me feel a little more put together. Wait till you see how I pair it with the next look. Look number 2. Had to put them on. The Sundry Everyday Jogger, one of our most 5-starred reviewed items on the site. Why do you guys love them? Let's count the ways. Number 1, soft as butter. I mean, so crazy comfortable. Never want to take them off, kind of comfortable. Number 2, a higher rise, which is honestly a little tricky to find in a jogger and still have it be flattering. And these puppies are pockets. I love this heather gray color, so fun. How am I styling them? Well, I think this is a fun way to keep it casual and upgrade your look. Now, step number 1. I do just a little scrunch on that banded bottom to get them above my ankle, give myself a little bit of height. Paired it back to this great new P448 style. I love the glitter on this, elevates that jogger just a little bit. And then I'm taking a cue from my little tie waist here with the black and pairing it back to this French Connection Mozart sweater, which I love. This puppy runs generous. I went between an extra small and a small. I stayed in the extra small, so went down a size just to keep it a little bit more shaped for me. If I wore a small, I might be able to slide it off my shoulder, maybe do something a little sexy. I love this for just a knocking around look, and this lightweight cotton sweater is so easy to wear. Paired it back to that great ring, and then threw on, have you gotten one of these, you guys? These are still one of my favorite bracelets. Great little Simbi bracelet. This guy says explore, because if we're not going anywhere, at least we can dream about it, right? Outfit number 2, one of my faves, these Sundry joggers, you guys. They're so great. Get them while you can. Outfit number 3, coming up. Look number 3. Okay, so here's the thing about the hat. Yeah, I kind of had to commit to it because once I put it on my head, what is happening over here? Not so cute. But I am calling this the ultimate dog walking, kid picking upping, neighborhood strolling, just leave me alone for 10 minutes while I sit in the backyard by myself outfit. Cozy, maybe even for sidelines, you guys, just all the things. So I know I literally just said that finding a high-rise jogger is tough. Hello, jackpot, we found another one. This is the Commando Butter high-rise jogger, and butter it is. It is so crazy soft. It has a little, I don't know, kind of harem-y style, just a touch in this jogger. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't hate it. I kind of love it. It's so, so comfy. The fabric is a little more drapey, a little bit lighter weight. So if you're looking for a lighter weight jogger, this is your friend. And you guys, I mean, this is high in like the best way possible. So I wanted to tuck in my Henley so you could see. This is this great Peyton Jensen mineral wash Henley. I love this guy. It is a little bit longer, so you could easily do a half tuck and a pair of jeans too, but I kind of like it tucked in, holding in all the pieces. And then RD Style to the rescue again. Can we talk about this plaid coat. I just love it. It's a sweater, you guys, but I'm telling you, it is cozy enough to wear as a coat. I absolutely love this guy. All the neutral, so it does all the things. And then I've got on my cold weather accessories that you just need. Number one, this Harriet Isles faux fur pom hat. How cute is this puppy? Black cable knit, so it just goes with everything, especially with bad hair days. And then I've got on, these are online exclusive, you guys, Sorel boots. I love these. They feel like, I don't know, a cool kickback kind of style. And I'm telling you, even standing in my closet right now, my feet are toasty, real toasty, real toasty. So fun. Guys, joggers, upgrade that look by popping on a great sweater. We've got so many ways to do it. And the three I showed you are literally the best of the bunch, must-haves. Hope it gave you some good ideas on how to dress this weekend for all the things. I don't know if you can see behind me. It snowed here, 6 inches, 2020. What are you going to do about it? It's just life. Okay, guys, we'll check you soon. Have an awesome weekend.